Hey guys, my mom just got my dad a new lawnmower as a present.
One thing I'm not crazy about. I don't like the color though. Welcome back to the series, all right. No reason why, just because I have some extra 600 laying around, we're gonna go ahead, and I like to fold my sheets and cut them into quarters like this. And I just use a Slim Jim to just, or a metal putty knife. And you got 4 sheets, okay? So we're just gonna fold this into a quarter like this. Okay, and then we're gonna wash our parts down really quickly, and we're going to be ready for our silver base coat. One-to-one ratio reducer. And the cool thing about base coat is if we have too much, we can always pour it back in because it will never go bad. There's no activator or hardener in base coat, just reducer, okay? Before you start using it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up all the way. This way you get the maximum tack. Then we fold it up into like a palm size. And this will last a complete full base coat, clear coat paint job with base, or a few different little mini projects like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take the dust off lightly off the sides here. See, look, we're already taking off some stuff, some light dust. Okay, now we're pretty much good to go. We're gonna lay our silver base coat. Take a look at what we got here. Let me just put this back. Okay, you put this back this way you can reuse it again. Here we got our silver base coat mixed up. We got our quick cup system here that we're using. Okay, ready to roll. We're using our Atom X16 mini spray gun here. Beautiful gun, works really, really nice. It's a high volume, low pressure, so it's good for any base coat systems. And we're gonna go ahead and get painting.